How to fix it when Microsoft Edge is not working. Microsoft Edge not opening correctly is a bug you may squash. Microsoft Edge not opening itself or loading internet pages is considered one of many bugs customers encounter on the internet browser on home Windows 10, Android, Mac, and iOS units. Different Microsoft Edge issues can embrace browser home windows and tabs freezing, website crashing, web connectivity error messages, and lacking Microsoft Edge bookmarks, favorites, passwords, and collections. Reason behind Microsoft Edge errors. Microsoft Edge issues could be attributable to unsupported websites, working too many internet pages concurrently, or having out-of-date Microsoft Edge extensions put in. Older Microsoft Edge variations may cause points such because the browser not opening or not responding. A scarcity of free area or incorrect web settings on home Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android units may trigger a number of Microsoft Edge errors. The way to repair Microsoft Edge issues. Happily, there are a number of confirmed options for fixing Microsoft Edge issues that may be carried out rapidly and inside just some minutes. Work your manner by this listing of fixes from easiest to extra complicated till Microsoft Edge works accurately and as effectively as you want. Verify when you're nonetheless utilizing Web Explorer. Whereas Microsoft creates each web browsers, Edge has now succeeded the basic Web Explorer and receives most safety and have updates. The previous app icon is similar to the Microsoft Edge brand, and you could be clicking on it by mistake. It is seemingly when you've had your laptop for a very long time and have many elderly apps. Close Microsoft Edge tabs and windows. Having too many websites working directly can decelerate Microsoft Edge enormously and even make it unresponsive. Closing those you now not want could be a good way to enhance performance. Restart Edge. Merely shut Microsoft Edge, wait just a few seconds, after which reopen it. Restart your computer or smart device. A fast restart can typically repair an unresponsive app. Particularly if you shut your laptop down the correct manner, wait just a few seconds after which restart it fully, moderately, then simply letting the system do a restart for you. Update Microsoft Edge. When Microsoft Edge would not open, it may very well be because of an app replace being in progress or an app replace that stalled because of a lack of web connection or free area in your gadget. Attempt to replace Edge to be sure to are working the latest model. Check the website. The website you're attempting to load could also be down. To see if so, attempt loading one other website in the identical browser. If it's simply the location that's down, there's not a lot you are able to do, however look ahead to the location to return again online. Verify your web connection. A poor web connection may cause many Microsoft Edge issues. In case you're having trouble loading a variety of websites in Edge, attempt one other browser or app. If no online content material masses, your drawback could also be along with your gadget's web performance and never Microsoft Edge. Free up disk space on Windows 10. In case your laptop, smartphone, or pill has run out of room, it may be difficult for apps to open and run accurately. If Microsoft Edge retains crashing, attempt deleting massive information and packages you now not want. You may all the time add information to a cloud service reminiscent of OneDrive or Dropbox earlier than deleting them out of your gadget. Install the latest Windows 10 operating system update. Home Windows 10 working system updates can typically include enhancements for the Microsoft Edge browser as nicely. In case your browser is being buggy, working a home Windows 10 replace may do the trick. And replace may additionally repair system conflicts which are inflicting Edge to freeze or crash. Replace your Microsoft Edge extensions. Maintaining them updated can also be important to keep up stability and performance. You may replace extensions by way of the Microsoft Retailer app by way of the App Replace display. Uninstall your Microsoft Edge extensions. Microsoft Edge not responding may very well be the result of a not too long ago put-in browser extension. Open an in-private window from the ellipsis menu. Websites with a number of code can typically trigger a browser window or tab to freeze and even crash. Utilizing the in-private characteristic will allow you to browse websites with most of their online monitoring code and plugins disabled. It is good for avoiding monitoring codes provided that you do not additionally log into your accounts in private mode. Clear your Microsoft Edge browser data. This widespread repair additionally works for fixing bugs in different web browsers as nicely. Run some home Windows 10 troubleshooters. Open the Settings app and click on Replace and Safety Troubleshoot Further Troubleshooters. Run the Web Connections, Program Compatibility Troubleshooter, and Home Windows Retailer Apps Troubleshooters to scan and mechanically repair any issues which may probably be inflicting Microsoft Edge issues. If the troubleshooter display recommends different troubleshooters, it is best to run these as nicely, as your gadget might have additionally detected different issues. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.